obviously we are dealing with some apostrophes here. So there's two words that I want to focus on, right? The novels, the poems. We can see that those are shifting. I'm not going to worry about whether or not it's a apostrophe S or an S apostrophe. That might matter, but let's first just worry about whether we need an apostrophe at all. So I'm actually going to go to the word poems because that's the word that seems to have a choice. So let's see, do we need one there? Slam poet Elizabeth Acevedo's debut novel, The Poet X, winner of the 2018 National Book Award for Young People's Literature, is composed of poems putatively written by the novel's protagonist, 15-year-old Jamar Batista. Okay, so putatively is an adverb, and then written is a verb. So what's following poems, right? In order for us to use a possessive, we need to possess a thing, right? A noun. There's no noun here, right? There's no noun all the way until novel. So there's nothing for us to possess or for the poems to possess. So that's going to get rid of B and C. We definitely don't want the apostrophe S there. Now we're just deciding whether or not novels is going to be singular or plural, right? Because the location of that S determines whether or not we had an S on the word already, right? If it's an apostrophe S, then there was no S there, so we had to add it. So it was probably a singular word. If it's S apostrophe, like in choice D, that is because it's plural. It already had an S, and then just to make it possessive, we add only the apostrophe. So how many novels do we have? It seems like one. Let's see, is there another? No, it's just the one. So there you go, choice A. That's rare, though. It's usually the case that we can determine whether or not we need, what the answer is for an apostrophes question based only on whether or not we need one, not based on whether it's singular or plural. But if we find ourselves in that situation, it's an easy test. Just look around the sentences, look around the passage. There's going to be something that tells you for sure whether it's singular or plural. So the evidence will be there. You won't have to guess.